In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix content not loading on Google. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data in case you are using Wi-Fi. Give a first restart to your router. Likewise, if you are connected to VPN, disable it. Next thing you want to do is reload the Google page. Likewise, force close it and again relaunch it. This might resolve the issue. Or else what you want to do is try Incognito window. For that, launch Google browser, click on three dots, select the option New Incognito tab. Now from here you can try to access any website. This might work. Next thing you want to do is clear browsing data. For that, click on three dots, navigate to the option settings. Now here you're gonna find this option privacy and security. Click on that. Now click on the option delete browsing data. Select the time range and check in for all the option. Click on delete data. After this, your content might load. Likewise, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. For that, you can head over to App Store or Play Store, search for your browser. Once it appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. And that's it. By following these steps, your content should load in Google. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.